Of value equivalent to $54.1000 a coin. The present reach, $52.8400, $54.3100. The earlier day close, $53.0200. The change was plus 1.0800. Plus 2.04%. Backwards rate. United States dollars to Aave. Aave value expectation for 2023, 2024, 2025, 2026, and 2027. Aave cost expectation for September 2023. At the outset cost at $55.5. Most extreme cost $57.7. Least cost $46.3. The normal for the month $52.5. Of cost estimate toward the month's end $50.6. Change for September 8.8%. Of to United States dollars expectations for October 2023. First and foremost cost at $50.6. Most extreme cost $54.7. Least cost $43.8. The normal for the month $49.4. Of cost gauge toward the month's end $48.3. Change for October 4.5%. Of cost expectation for November 2023. To start with cost at $48.3. Greatest cost $48.3. Least cost $38.1. The normal for the month $43.9. Of cost gauge toward the month's end $41.0. Change for November 15.1%. Of to United States dollars expectations for December 2023. In the first place cost at $41.0. Greatest cost $41.0. Least cost $35.3. The normal for the month $38.8. Of cost conjecture toward the month's end $38.0. Change for December 7.3%. Of cost expectation for January 2024. Before all else cost at $38.0. Most extreme cost $44.8. Least cost $38.0. The normal for the month $40.7. Of cost conjecture toward the month's end $41.9. Change for January 10.3%. Of to United States dollars expectations for February 2024. At the outset cost at $41.9. Most extreme cost $41.9. Least cost $35.4. The normal for the month $39.3. Of cost figure toward the month's end $38.1. Change for February 9.1%. Of cost expectation for WAC 2024. Before all else cost at $38.1. Most extreme cost $38.6. Least cost $33.6. The normal for the month $36.6. Of cost gauge toward the month's end $36.1. Change for spring 5.2%. Of to United States dollars expectations for April 2024. In the first place cost at $36.1. Greatest cost $37.0. Least cost $32.2. The normal for the month $35.0. Of cost estimate toward the month's end $34.6. Change for April 4.2%. Of cost expectation for May 2024. Before all else cost at $34.6. Most extreme cost $34.6. Least cost $29.9. The normal for the month $32.8. Of cost gauge toward the month's end $32.2. Change for May 6.9%. Of to United States dollars expectations for June 2024. In the first place cost at $32.2. Greatest cost $40.0. Least cost $32.2. The normal for the month $35.5. Of cost figure toward the month's end $37.4. Change for June 16.1%. Of cost expectation for July 2024. Initially cost at $37.4. Greatest cost $37.4. Least cost $29.2. The normal for the month $33.9. Of cost gauge toward the month's end $31.4. Change for July 16.0%. Of to United States dollars expectations for August 2024. In the first place cost at $31.4. Greatest cost $31.4. Least cost $24.6. The normal for the month $28.5. Of cost estimate toward the month's end $26.4. Change for August 15.9%. Of cost expectation for September 2024. First and foremost cost at $26.4. Greatest cost $31.8. Least cost $26.4. The normal for the month $28.6. Of cost conjecture toward the month's end $29.7. Change for September 12.5%. Off cost expectation for November 2025. At the outset cost at $11.3. Most extreme cost $14.0. Least cost $11.3. The normal for the month $12.4. Of cost figure toward the month's end $13.1. Change for November 15.9%. Of to United States dollars expectations for December 2025. Initially cost at $13.1. Most extreme cost $16.3. Least cost $13.1. The normal for the month $14.4. Of cost estimate toward the month's end $15.2. Change for December 16.0%. Of cost expectation for January 2026. First and foremost cost at $15.2. Greatest cost $15.2. Least cost $11.9. The normal for the month $13.8. Of cost conjecture toward the month's end $12.8. Change for January 15.8%. Of to United States dollars expectations for February 2026. At the outset cost at $12.8. Most extreme cost $12.8. Least cost $10.2. The normal for the month $11.7. Of cost estimate toward the month's end $11.0. Change for February 14.1%. Of cost expectation for WOC 2026. Before all else cost at $11.0. Most extreme cost $13.7. Least cost $11.0. The normal for the month $12.1. Of cost gauge toward the month's end $12.8. Change for spring 16.4%. Of to United States dollars expectations for April 2026. In the first place cost at $12.8. Greatest cost $14.2. Least cost $12.4. The normal for the month $13.2. Of cost figure toward the month's end $13.3. Change for April 3.9%. Of cost expectation for May 2026. At the outset cost at $13.3. Most extreme cost $16.5. Least cost $13.3. The normal for the month $14.6. Of cost estimate toward the month's end $15.4. Change for May 15.8%. Of to United States dollars expectations for June 2026. Initially cost at $15.4. Most extreme cost $19.2. Least cost $15.4. The normal for the month $17.0. Of cost conjecture toward the month's end $17.9. Change for June 16.2%. Of cost expectation for July 2026. In the first place cost at $17.9. Greatest cost $22.1. Least cost $17.9. The normal for the month $19.7. Of cost